Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian freedom fighter and politician who played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence from British colonial rule. He was born on October 31, 1875, in Nadiyad, Gujarat, India, and died on December 15, 1950, in Mumbai, India. Patel was a prominent leader of the Indian National Congress and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi. He is widely recognized for his role in the integration of princely states into a united India after independence. Patel was appointed as India's first Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Home Affairs in the independent Indian government. Patel was instrumental in negotiating with the rulers of various princely states to persuade them to join India after independence. He played a key role in the integration of more than 500 princely states into the Indian Union, which was a critical step in consolidating the country after the end of British rule. Patel was also a leading figure in the Indian nationalist movement and participated in various civil disobedience movements against the British. He was arrested numerous times and spent a total of more than 6 years in jail during his political career. In recognition of his contributions to Indian independence and nation building, Patel is often referred to as the Iron Man of India.